Take something chewed on that a little bit. Part of the harness is beyond me. Yeah, you can hear Chase and Cindy upstairs playing. Alright, there's the charge harness. Done. Oh, that's really clean. Uh-oh. I think your trans is overfilled, Jesse. Way overfilled. Hell's on there. They don't need to be that tight. Holy crap. And that's the white pipe. All right, everybody, it is another day. And what we need to do on Jesse's V8 swap is relocate the oxygen sensor. Back when I originally built this car for Jesse, we built a wide pipe that mimics the Fiero's wide pipe and then routed the exhaust in the stock location. That's ordinarily not a problem in and of itself, but the Cadillac V8 mounts the oxygen sensor in the trunk side exhaust manifold, and then of course that has an outlet that shoots the exhaust out through that manifold. It's much like the 3800 setup, using a crossover from the front bank to the rear bank, and then all the combined exhaust flows out the rear exhaust manifold. So with the oxygen sensor still there, and it's basically kicked back until it forms like a little eddy for the oxygen sensor. I can't even imagine that the oxygen sensor is doing anything at all. So we're going to put it in the Y pipe that I had built for Jesse. Got to clean this up, and then I'm going to take this over to the powder coater, and they're going to sandblast it, and we're going to Cerakote it. I don't know if it's going to be semi-black, semi-gloss black, or a semi-silver. I told him whatever he has is fine with me. I particularly don't care. I'm hoping that it's black, to be honest. So what we're going to do is install one of these stainless steel oxygen sensor bunks, and we're going to put it right about here, which you can't see, but I will bring the camera over in just a second. So first things first, we got to get this hole drilled and get the parent material cleaned up. So let's get to work. Even the exhaust is dirty in this car. Where the hell am I gonna put this?
the trick is using a short. I'm gonna kick you in the freaking. What is this? Why are you tightening it?
I'm not tightening it. Which way am I turning it? Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
You're turning it to the right.
No. I'm turning it counterclockwise. Counterclockwise is loose. That's why it didn't come out.
Can I kill it?
Alright, so let's try it again.
Bare force. I'm telling you. What?
Pull it off.
Can I know?
Take the pick off.
Thank you.
Watch your step.
It's a lot heavier than it may look. And there goes.
Oh, why'd you step on that? You see what you did, don't you?
Yeah.
Now you get to put them all back in.
Oh, wow. Thanks for the help.
I have told you not to step on stuff.
Guess what I tried not to do.
And they all have a size. It's not just set it in there wherever it goes. It has a spot.
Let them read.
Yep.
5/16. I can do all of this.
Yep.
April Fool's, you're a great guy.
No. This thing has got stuff down the intake ports.
Does it now?
Yep, seriously. There's like trash down the cylinder. Alright, the engine is all stripped down. I'm just doing some cleanup to get this thing ready. The stuff from the powder coater should be ready sometime this week. We'll get the Alante intake on, the valve covers and all that good stuff. I've got to get the distributor, spark plugs, basic tune-up. Already got the new water pump all put on. So, yeah, you'll get to see all the goodies in the next episode. Thanks for watching.